Good afternoon. So I was invited to wake you up this morning, but you were not here actually. So here I am. So let me introduce the topic of my talk. I've been asked to explain a parcours of a biotech entrepreneur. I am Vincent Fer. I am the CEO of AlioDx, a precision medicine company. We are immuno-oncology diagnostics, and we develop tools to help oncologists and pharmaceutical companies to prescribe and develop immunotherapies. So this is, my parcours as an entrepreneur, my path. So it has been a long way, because it starting from the university to today. So I'm gonna go back actually. So today, AlioDx is developing a breakthrough diagnostic approach that involves the analysis of what we call the tumor microenvironment. This is a discovery from Jérôme Gallon at the Centre de Recherche des Cordeliers in Paris that demonstrated that looking at the lymphocyte infiltration in tumor biopsy or tumor resection was actually predicting the outcome of cancer, especially colon cancer, but also applicable to most cancer. So this is a breakthrough because obviously, when pathologists look at those samples, he looks at tumor cells and not at immune cells. So the company actually has 3 business units. We developed a test called Immunoscore that allows to quantify the lymphocytic infiltration in patients, for oncologists, for pharmaceutical, and we also heritate from a legacy activities from our spin-off. We are experts in vitro diagnostic development. So the company has raised 27 million euros. We have some revenues, and we have most of our resources in Marseille, in South France, but also we have a subsidiary in the US to develop Immunoscore. So this actually came from a spin-off. So we are a spin-off company, and this spin-off take place in 2015, where we were actually a fully owned subsidiary of the diagnostic company QIAGEN, this German company. So that was a kind of a decision to spin off the company from AlioDx company from the QIAGEN. And if I try to illustrate the mood where we were when we decided to spin off from a large group to a small biotech. And this is, let's say, a challenge, risk, adventure. And that's very important for the team that set up this spin-off. So before that, we were a company named Ipsogen that I funded in '99, and this company was a leader in molecular diagnostic of leukemia. We developed our business worldwide, having also an activity in the US. And when we decided to sell the company to QIAGEN, this was a kind of challenge too, because when you are an owner of a company, actually you don't want to sell this company, but you need to understand that you work for your customers, for your employees, but also for your shareholders. And at some point, you have to compromise and decide to go further. But you know, if I want to picture that decision, I find this image of a battle, you know, convenience. This is actually a picture of the Battle of Marignan. So in France, when you say Marignan, everybody tells you 1515. And if you ask people 1515, they tell you Marignan. But this was an horrible battle. It was 10,000 deaths. It was, you know, I don't know why I used that picture actually, but the fact is François Ier won this battle because he found a pass in the Alps and he surprised his enemies. So this is something positive about this picture. Before that was the inception of Ipsogen. At that time, I was with some colleagues in a company called Beckman Coulter. It is a large diagnostic company, and because we were entrepreneurs, we decided to jump into the unknown. And here, you know, this is in French. It's going into the water. You don't know where you are going, but you are going into the water because your willingness to take risks is stronger than your security. And I think that it's a message for all of you here that have project, collaborative project indeed, to jump into the bath. Before I was in this company, Immunotech, where I learned most of my background in terms of science, in terms of business development, patent, etc. And you know, to take the risks to set up a company is also, you know, adventure, and this is also how I depict that decision. So at the end, I think I don't want to give you any recipe for to be an entrepreneur in biotech, in health tech, but everybody will tell you that first is science and vision, certainly, resources, finding the investors that are aligned with your project is very important. You have also to be very conscious of your capabilities and what you can achieve because you need confidence, and certainly you need to have a good team with you or to make a team, and also to have the good collaboration, obviously. And at the end, probably the coach or the advisor don't tell you that you need luck. You need a lot of luck to succeed. So I want to also emphasize that today at AlioDx we are definitively oriented toward collaboration, and that's a big endeavor. Not all the collaboration works, and you have to be to some extent selective in your collaboration program because it takes a lot of energy. So we were able in a few years to get a number of European projects together with academic centers and a number of two actually what we call RHU in France, which is clinical research with you know, interesting partners like Gustave Roussy and AstraZeneca and APHM. So I think yesterday I was listening to the talk and there was somebody saying if you don't like competition, think about collaboration. Actually, I misunderstood that statement because it referred to me the sentence that was used in the past about culture. If you don't like culture, try ignorance. So I think the right way to see that is to say, if you don't like collaboration, try competition. So it's just some personal view on that. And that's the end of my talk. Yesterday also we listened about the nice Medicine pole de compétitivité. So in the south, we have also a nice pole de compétitivité, which is called Euro-Bioméditerranée. And I've listened to the argument of the Paris region. I think in the south we have the very same, talents and industrial background. But in addition, we have the Calanque. Thank you very much.